In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete a portfolio on CoinMarketCap. First, open your web browser and go to CoinMarketCap's website. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. After selecting Login, choose your preferred login method and enter your login details. You can log in using the available options provided. Once your information is entered, click the Login button to access your CoinMarketCap account. After logging in, go back to the top right corner of the page and find the Portfolio option. Click on it to open the Portfolio page. On the Portfolio page, locate the portfolio that you want to delete. Make sure you select the correct portfolio before continuing. Next, find the Actions or Settings option for the selected portfolio. Open this option to view the available choices. Look for the Delete or Remove option and select it. Once you choose the Delete option, the selected portfolio will be removed from your account. Your portfolio has now been successfully deleted from CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.